take to your street. Now's the time for us to rise and carry hope and let love shine and show this world that mercy is alive. Now's the time for us to rise and carry hope to hopeless eyes and show this world that mercy is alive. We will